In the previous video, we learned how we can send the comments to the server using the data service in Angular. In this video, we're going to be talking about how we can delete the data that we have sent to the server or that is existing in the server using the data service. So we will delete the data by the comment ID. If we go here inside the JSON placeholder, comments, as you can see, there are IDs. Here we have the post ID, ID2, ID3, etc. Now we want to delete the data from the comments using the ID. So here we will define a method inside the data service called delete comment by comment ID. And what we can pass in here is that it will be a comment ID parameter of type number, and inside the method we will just return the delete call from the HTTP client. And here we have this base URL /comments/comment ID. Like if you see here, we have this JSON placeholder /comments. We will use it here, and the comment ID is this ID. And if we go here, as you can see, this is giving the data of each ID that we are passing in here, ID2, etc. So inside our component.ts file, we will make method delete comment, and in here we will just pass the comment ID of type number, and inside here we will call the data service method delete comment by comment ID. So here we will just use the data service dot delete comment, and it is asking us the comment ID. So we'll pass the comment ID here and we'll subscribe it, and here inside the subscribe we can just use the arrow function. And what we're gonna do is that we will filter the data where the comment ID is not is equal to the comment ID that we will pass here. So here we'll just write the comments this.comments.filter, and here we'll just say comment.id not is equal to comment ID that we will pass, and here we will just log this comment deleted successfully. And here with ID, comment ID, and inside the HTML file we will make another table head with the actions, and here we'll use the button with delete, and here we'll use the bootstrap class btn primary, or we can use the btn danger as it's a danger zone, like danger zone. So here we will just use the click event. Here we will pass the method delete comment, and inside here we will pass the comment which is here comment dot id, and we can just use the slice pipe to limit the data to only 10 records. First we will comment this, and let's start our application. We have this data here. We will delete this first. Now as you can see, this is filtering the data where the id is not is equal to comment id that we have passed here. We will delete this also. And if we go inside the console, as you can see, this is saying comment deleted successfully with comment id that we have deleted here. We have deleted like 3 items from here using the data service method. We have this delete comment by comment id. And that's it for this video. In the next video, we will use the data service to update the data, and what we get inside are like we want to update the name, the body, or the email, etc. So what we have covered in this video is that first we created the delete comment by comment id method to delete the comments from our API, and in here we returned the HTTP method delete with the base URL and slash comments with the ID that we will pass in from the data that we have here in our table. And the second thing we did is that we created the delete comment method inside our component.ts file, which called the delete comment by id method from the data service, and we subscribe to it with filtering the data only we want with comment.id not is equal to comment id that we have passed here. And lastly, we used the table head with the actions text, and inside the table data we used a button with the click event to delete the data by the comment id which is coming from these comments. Still, if you are facing any problem, then you can ask me in the comments. Don't forget to share and subscribe if you liked this video.